No one can afford to lose power in an operating room. An increasing number of electrical devices are added to operating rooms every year as technology advances. If the power supply fails for these devices, disaster can occur. One of the leading causes of power failure is ground faults. Common causes include a cart running over a power cord, equipment becoming wet, and infrastructure or equipment failure. If an OR becomes unavailable, serious consequences can occur. Procedures must be rescheduled. Patients become dissatisfied, leading to reputational damage, and serious financial loss can occur. Bender has designed a technology to automatically locate ground faults once they occur, without interruption of power. When paired with a Bender alarm panel, OR staff will immediately be notified of the fault. At the same time, maintenance and engineering staff will be alerted. With Bender technology, healthcare facilities can rely on operating room availability while allowing clinicians to focus on caregiving. Contact us today to learn how Bender technology can benefit your facility.